that Miss Julie Hartnell is probably going to use the excuse that she's fresh out of law school. But you know what? Common sense ought to tell her there's a rap in this case.
Well, no, she knows the case sucks. It's not that. It's...
Then why doesn't she dismiss the charges if she knows it's a bad case?
Well, because unlike me...
Why does she keep pursuing it?
Well, and that's why we've been treading water for a while.
See, this is what I can't understand. If this woman knows I'm innocent, why is she pursuing this?
Here's the thing. This is what I understand. Right after we did the jury trial, right? And if it was just purely up to her, I think she would have just dismissed the 2 counts the next day or whatever. But there's all the crap that you're talking about with the DHS and everything. I mean, she's not a part of that office, and so her and the DA's office aren't totally immune from some of that influence. You want some coffee?
No, I'm good.
Got a clean cup.
So her and the DA's office are not totally immune?
She's trying to...
In other words, they're scared of DHS too?
Well, I think that, I don't know, I wouldn't use the word scared, but...
Okay, what word do you use?
My old junior high football coach, what was his saying? Don't stir the manure, boys. Was, if she's trying to get this done without causing a huge interagency battle between, DHS and the DA's office. Whereas, if she can do this a little more politically...
So it's more important to appease them than it is to expose the truth.
You keep trying to cross me up, and here's the thing.
That's what you do. I know you can't say that, but that's what you just did say. Even if you used your creative language, that's still what you said. Everybody knows I'm innocent, but because DHS is so pissed off, y'all got to keep pushing forward. Thank you. You just did me a favor.
We're very lucky as Julia, because there's because of the VPO violations, these cases got assigned to the DV first. And if they had gotten assigned to the other DV, this meeting lawyer, if they hadn't assigned to Miller, this other girl, she wouldn't give a flying fuck whether you might or might not be, innocent, whether she might or might not be able to prove her case. She would be all about...
She's that crooked?
There's another... Well, and self-righteous is a better word for it. But...
Self-righteous? You call it self-righteous to go after an innocent woman?
No. I'm talking about when the DAs have the viewpoint that every person out there that has their name on a case is either guilty of this crime or something else, and they,
So they don't care about the law?
I would pose to you that this other chick doesn't really care about the law so much, because I brought a case to her yesterday.
So she's all about winning at whatever cost. She doesn't care who she kills as long as she wins.
It's like it's not even, I don't know if it's about winning. Maybe it is, I don't know.
It's gotta be. If you can go after a person that you know is innocent, it's all about winning.
I'm just going to start pulling everything out of here going. Because I know I had witness lists. I don't know if they were for all 3 cases.